along with my girlfriend Polly. Polly, can you come down here for a minute? She's really and from the first time we sang here with this wonderful chorus and this magical orchestra, we knew this is where we wanted to work. This was where we wanted to sing. This year, Welsh National Opera have made our dream come true and made us both full-time members of the company. Fully fledged members of the chorus, so I thought this is probably a good time to make another dream come true. Polly. You know, I'm not really one for big gestures. But today is a little bit different. Today I want the whole world to know that I love you with all my heart. You're the most unique person I've ever met. You're my best friend. You're my partner in this whole adventure. And I never want it to end. I want to be with you for the rest of my life. So...